Alright, what's up y'all? We got the Bubble Eye behind us today, and I'm going to show y'all a technique that I've shared before that works excellent to remove smells from old vehicles, especially these Cateye and Bubble Eye trucks. Let's get in here and check it out. Alright, we got the 2001 Bubble Eye Chevrolet. Pop the hood. We don't even need to pop the hood, but throw me a battery charger up on here. You'll see why. Oh. Vortec, yeah, 5.3. So this truck, it's got a really nice interior on it. I already got it set up. Here's what we got going on. I got my ozone generator out, y'all already know. Got the ozone generator out right here. Now this device, what we're gonna do is turn it on, point the vents up, turn the air on, recirculate, full blast. And what we're gonna do is this thing makes O3. Oxygen's O2, so it makes O3, goes in there, it's highly reactive. Oxygen molecule, oxygen species is gonna get sucked in, blown throughout the vents, and it's gonna circulate throughout the whole cab and recirculate for about 20 minutes. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna attach to every smell, every fragrance, any kind of mold particle, allergen, anything, and it's gonna molecularly destroy it so it can't smell anymore. It smells good in here, but you know, it could use a freshen up. It's 20 some odd years old, and we got a new cabin filter in there too. Basically, set this bad boy up. They make all different kinds of these. This one's pretty strong. Set it to about 20 minutes. We don't want to overdo it, and we can't breathe this stuff, but I like to do 15-20 minutes. You can do it with the truck running. I'm gonna hook a battery charger up. We just need enough power for the blower to blow. So I've used this technique on a lot of trucks, red Cateye, done on the Avalanche before. I'm doing it on this, and it really helps. Smells like a brand new truck, you know. It's not like a fragrance or anything like that. It actually destroys and gets rid of the odors. If you had a leak and fixed it, you know, can't get rid of the smell. No spray or little tree hanging from the rear of your mirror is gonna fix it. This will, it'll knock it out. 10 minutes, it'll knock it out. So I got this Die-Hard battery charger. I got this thing for like $5 at an estate sale. I'll put it on about, we'll do 2 amps. It should be enough. We just need the blower motor to run. I got it hooked up. Now you can just crank it up and run it like that. Now when we do this, we turn it to high. We don't even need the AC on. It doesn't really matter. I like to split it, do like this so we can get feet, because that's where most of the smells are, just like that. Put it on max, and then we're gonna have to hit recirculate. And you wanna kind of blow the vents up. Get all these vents blowing up like that, because O3 is heavier than oxygen. I really like to put it like that. It's got a little fan and it blows the O3 up in there. And you know, that's supposed to be where the return is, where it sucks it up into the system and then blows it out here. So that's why I put it down there. You know, it seems to work well for me in that spot. Now remember, this is how I like to do it, not how to do it. You can't breathe this stuff, you know, don't breathe it, don't breathe it. You gotta hold your breath, unplug it from the outside, stuff like that. It's got a timer, let it air out, open the doors, don't get a whiff of it, don't breathe this stuff. You gotta let the truck air out for like an hour or something until it's safe to go in there, safe to breathe and stuff like that. But once you do, you'll be good to go. You know, I gotta say it.
So the battery charger's on, 2 amps, just enough. You can crank it up. I don't wanna waste 20 minutes of gas, too expensive. Wow, look at that. Only 100K miles. Well, a little over 100K. So we got it on max blowing, recirculate, turn the AC off. We don't need that. All our vents are open, they're blowing. I'm gonna close this up. Come over here. And we're gonna put this thing, go all the way, make sure it's off first, off. I got it plugged in external so I can unplug it. Go over here, come on back to about 20 minutes. Put it like that, right there, okay. Hit our button, it's gonna come on and it smells bad. Close it up. Didn't fall over, it's doing its thing in there. Now we wait, don't overdo it. Guys say they do it for hours and hours and hours. It's unnecessary. I did it on the red Cateye for 10 minutes and it was like a brand new vehicle. It was like sticking my head into outer space. I couldn't smell anything. So, you know, 10 minutes. Guys say it can mess up seals and stuff like that over time if you do it too long. I hadn't had any experience with that, you know.
Don't overdo it. 10, 20 minutes, and it should be good. If not, repeat the treatment again, you know. All right, time's up. Unplug it, like that. Come back over here. I'm gonna let it charge up a little bit, why not? Come over here, I wanna go in here quick, real quick, and turn it off. Hold my breath. Whew. Man, I got a whiff of that. Don't breathe that stuff. We're gonna let it sit like that. You can let it sit. This is all just preference at this point. I might let it sit up, closed up like that, 30 minutes, an hour, come back, air it out for an hour, open all the doors, let it air out. You get the idea. But yeah, man, I can tell you how fresh it smells already in there. So we'll be back. I gotta air it out. It's getting dark on me. I'm about done for today. And now it's time to air this thing out. Open it up. I like to open up all 4 doors. Hold your breath. Oh, smells fresher already. Silverado Z71. Get a little cross breeze blowing. That wind blowing, oh yeah. Open it up like that. I'll let it sit like this for an hour, 30 minutes, some odd, you know, 20, 30, 40, 50, however long you'd like. All right, it's been airing out for a while now. We are done. Let's see how it's smelling in here. Get my ozone generator out here. Let's see how this thing's smelling. It's been sitting and airing out now. Ooh, man, that bubble eye looks nice. Leather. Whew, 4x4. Who would have thought such a beautiful beast exists in this world? Man, and it smells good too now. All right, let's see, it's been airing out now. Oh yeah, slight hint of leather odor. Other than that, it smells awesome. And we don't even have an air freshener hanging from the rearview mirror. Whew, man, they don't make them like they used to. Can we take 2 seconds and just appreciate 2001 perfection? I mean, would you look at that? Look at that. Whew. Nice grill, ready to work. Extended cab, man. They do not make them like they used to. So that's all it took, 20 minutes like that. Erased 20 years of smell, 25 years of smell, no problems. Once you let it air out, should be good to go. You know, it'll be smelling like a brand new vehicle. I'm not joking. If y'all don't believe me, give it a shot. So I'll check you on the next video. Don't forget to drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. I got plenty more Bubble Eye videos where this one came from. Later.